you sad and beautiful lady. Hurt you? How could anyone hurt you? And darling, tell me, leave you? How could anyone want you? You must forget him. Yeah, turn away from your sorrow. And let me love you. And I'll show you tomorrow. No, listen to this. Just let me into your life. Let me tear down the wall that is keeping you outside this heart of me. Let me into your life. If I can't have you all, then at least give me one little part of you. Let me into your life. Trust me. Let your heart learn to trust me. Need me. That's the way that it must be. Just let me love you. Can't you see that I was meant to?